Welcome to our updated tutorial on how to change your country on Gmail. If you've moved, are traveling, or simply need to correct your account information, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So, let's dive right in and get your Gmail account reflecting the correct location. First, open the Gmail app on your Android phone or iOS device. This is where we'll begin updating your location information. Once the app is open, look for the three horizontal lines, often referred to as a hamburger menu, at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on these lines to open the main menu. In the menu, scroll down until you find Settings. Tap on Settings, and then select your account. This will take you to the page where you can manage various aspects of your Gmail account. Next, you'll see an option that says Manage your Google account. Tap on it to access your Google account settings. This is where you can adjust personal information, security settings, and much more. Now look for the Personal Info tab and tap on it. Scroll down the page until you find the Home section under the Address category. Here you'll see the current country listed. Tap on the Home section to edit your address details. In the address details, you'll find the country field. Tap on it and select your new country from the list. Make sure to choose the correct country to ensure that your account information is accurate. Once you've selected the new country, review the rest of the address details to ensure everything is correct. Finally, after changing your country, tap the Save button to confirm the changes. And that's it. You've successfully updated your country on Gmail. By following these simple steps, you can easily change your country information on Gmail and ensure that your account reflects the correct location. This is particularly useful for accessing country-specific features, apps, and content. Remember that Google may restrict how often you can change your country, so make sure you're updating it accurately. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your Gmail experience. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.